I'm Heather Verzel. I'm the Zoo Curator. I oversee most of the operations of Happy Hollow Zoo. Happy Hollow Park and Zoo is an AZA accredited facility. AZA accreditation means that we meet the high standards of the Association of Zoos and Aquariums. It's a nonprofit organization geared towards increasing the standards of zoos and aquariums worldwide in the areas of conservation, education, science. This is important because it provides Happy Hollow Zoo with a lot of resources, and that way our community knows that when they come to Happy Hollow Park and Zoo, we have the best animal care possible. Happy Hollow Park and Zoo has historically kept jaguars in our collection. Jaguars are special because they're the third largest cat species, just below lions and tigers. They're also the largest cat species in the North Americas. Their habitat does touch the United States, although sightings in the US are very rare. If you look at their coat, they have a very unique coat pattern. They're called rosettes. It's a pattern of spots that are connected into a circle with a spot or two in the middle. They're so individual that you can identify a cat based on the pattern of its spots. And in the wild where they do camera tracking, this is how they identify individual jaguars. Jaguars are also special because they're very specifically designed predators. They have an amazing amount of muscles, especially in their head and their forelimbs. A large male jaguar can have over 1,000 pounds of pressure in its bite force. They can climb with a whole carcass in their mouth and go backwards up the tree where they can cache it and eat it at their leisure. Jaguars are solitary in the wild, only coming together during breeding season. A jaguar would have a large habitat that they would walk and monitor on a daily basis or a weekly basis. A lot of guests ask why we have a single jaguar on exhibit. It's because this is normal for them. We train our jaguars for various reasons. It helps us to move them and work around them more safely. It helps us to create a common language, if you will, so that we can communicate better with them, as well as making medical procedures easier on them. Happy Hollow Zoo has an extensive enrichment program, and it's geared toward all of the species in the zoos. Enrichment means that you provide something for the animal that makes their day different. It can be anything from a scent, something to look at, something that they hear, something to interact with, novel type of food, or hiding their food in the exhibit to give them that hunting and foraging aspect that they might not normally get. It makes their environment more stimulating. It's not same thing every day. It gives them the opportunity to perform behaviors in captivity that they would normally do in the wild. It's interesting to see a jaguar playing with a large ball just like your house cat at home would. That's the great thing about enrichment. It gives us the opportunity to see the individual personalities of our cats and all of the other animals too. Happy Hollow Park and Zoo participates in 16 species survival plans. The goal of these AZA programs is so that the targeted species can be sustained for the next 100 years. When we lost our last jaguar due to old age, we were contacted by another facility that was in need of a home for a young female jaguar, and that is Sophia. She has become one of the iconic species of Happy Hollow. She's extremely popular and gives us the opportunity to educate our community on the importance of jaguar conservation. We work closely with the Belize Audubon Society and helping to protect jaguar habitat. Happy Hollow Park and Zoo is not just for kids. We've made coming to the zoo an act of conservation.